Hi and welcome to my very basic run through of the Neverwinter Foundry quest based on the Legends of Hercules. Now this is just to show you what I have created so far. There's not a lot of dialogue and not much is actually happening, but here is the basic structure. So the player lands in the world over here and we have our herald whom you can speak to, and the idea here is been sucked into a portal, and you can choose whether or not to, you can see I've got the title that I still need to work out, but you can basically choose whether or not to learn more about the trials. If you say no thank you, you've got to be kidding, which I haven't actually done yet, you're actually not able to get out through here. There's going to be a big sign saying no exit. So you have to actually talk to the herald about the trials. So if you go back and talk to him, you can go tell me more, and it tells you that they love the labors of Hercules, and you can either say yes, I know them well, or I don't. Both of those will take you to going to see the Lawmaster. So if we go to see the Lawmaster over here, on the way we've got a fan and a skeptic, and they've just got some text you may have seen popping up before. You can see the fan says Hercules killed the Nemean lion with his bare hands. The other one says the lion is unkillable. That will come into play a little bit later. Got some gamblers here just for some colour. They're going to be used a little later, as well as some other NPCs to provide information about the quests of Hercules, or rather the legend of Hercules and his labours. We have a minstrel over here who's making a little bit of a reference to the Skyrim game. Again, villagers are going to be able to be questioned about the labours. Here is our blacksmith. If the player decides to do a side quest and get some more items, they'll get a bonus because they'll need an item to actually take the skin off the lion in the end. If we come over here near our guards, we have our Lawmaster. Now I haven't, again, done a lot of dialogue on this one, but if we talk to the Lawmaster, if you go to I'm ready to go, tell me what I need to do, she's going to ask you why Hercules had to complete the labors. Now, again, I haven't done anything here, but you choose the right answer and she will say something along the lines of, fantastic, I've got a couple more questions for you, let's go. If not, you say, that's not working. If not, you get it wrong, and she'll say, no, you have to go and get some information from the NPC. So at that point, you'll wander over here to the villagers, or to one of the guards, or the blacksmith, and get information from there. That's all I have at this point, so I'm just working on a bit more of that.